Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile Bush Furniture Key West 2-drawer mobile file cabinet, a perfect blend of functionality and style for your home office. This mobile file cabinet is designed to move with you, thanks to its dual-wheeled casters that glide effortlessly and lock securely in place, fitting snugly under most computer desks to save space. The bottom drawer opens smoothly on full extension ball-bearing slides, providing easy access to your letter-sized paperwork, while the upper drawer is ideal for organizing office supplies like notepads and pens. With its modern farmhouse style, available in several slightly distressed finishes, this cabinet complements coastal, cottage, and modern farmhouse decor, making it a charming addition to any room. Beyond the office, its multi-use design allows you to use it as a living room side table, a nightstand, or an entryway organizer, showcasing its versatility throughout your home. Enhance your space with the cohesive look of the Key West collection, which offers matching pieces like a computer desk, lateral file cabinet, and bookcase for a unified aesthetic. So, whether you're upgrading your workspace or adding a touch of style to your living areas, the Key West mobile file cabinet is your go-to solution for organized, accessible, and stylish storage. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.